Hi everyone, based on my previous video, someone asked me how should I extract text from my Windows computer if I do not have any browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, because these browsers have inbuilt AI screenshot tool that can automatically extract text really fast. But what if you do not have any of these browsers available in your computer? And that is actually a very practical problem. While using browsers is the most convenient, for some circumstances, you might not be able to do that. There is also another solution without any browsers. So let me show you how to do it. So what you're going to do first is go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Store. So let's go to Microsoft Store here. Then you need to go to the search bar and search PowerToys. So as you can see, the Microsoft PowerToys has this logo, and it is a native Microsoft utility app. So this tool is developed by Microsoft, which extends the functionality of your Windows computer so you can have more utilities and functions where I can show you later. This text extracting tool is just one of the many functions it has. So once it's already installed, as you can see, it should be already available for you to use. Otherwise, just click on open. Sometimes you need to activate it, but in my opinion, I think it is already, as you can see, just make sure that the text extractor button here, it's already turned on. And then if you want to see how to use it, just click on it. And then you can also see that the shortcut is Windows-Shift-T. Alright, so let's say I want to start extracting text. So I'm going to click Windows-Shift-T. The way you know that the text extractor is activated is that it will put a gray overlay on your screen, as you can see. And you can see that you can change to different languages in your setting. There's also a few options where you can format the results in a single line if you are copy pasting a paragraph or as a table, or there's even extra settings. It's basically just like a sniping tool but focusing on text extractor. So let's say I want to highlight this activate shortcut. So I'm going to highlight this and then boom, that's it. It automatically copies it into your clipboard. So the reason I say that is because the reason is that you can just go to your notepad and just copy and paste, and you can see activation shortcut. It is already copy pasted really easily. Its OCR is really fast in terms of recognizing the text in your screen, and then you can immediately copy and paste it. You can also, of course, edit your default shortcut, or you can also paste everything in a single line, activate it, and then if you go over and just paste it again, everything will be in a single line. Really easy. It can be used in any document. Let me try in a very bad quality image to see how well you can extract. So again, Windows-Shift-T and then copy somewhere here, and then let's see how much it can copy. So as you can see, the OCR tool depends a lot on the quality as well. So if the quality is bad, you can't really see. But one of the solution you can try is that try to zoom in as much as possible. Okay, takes a while, and then try it again. So the results is slightly better, but still it's a bit gibberish. Well, but if that's the case, you can just go open your image file and then just click on the scan OR tool and then just highlight it. I believe this is much more accurate. So go to Notepad. Yeah, as you can see, if you use the inbuilt OCR tool, if you have bad quality, it's not that good. So you just put in into an AI tool like ChatGPT or even this inbuilt OCR tool in Windows, it's much better quality. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and if you want how to effectively use AI tools in your everyday work life, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Peace.